Hi YouTube babes, I'm Carminia. Welcome to my channel. Before we start, a quick shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Today, I'm going to show you 30 summer crochet top ideas. They are all with free tutorials. I think I have collected almost all the pretty tops for you. This one is like bralette with a enough knot stitch mesh net. There are strings along the neckline and the back. It is a sweet top. This one is a strapless bralette with a mesh net and a string tied to the back. I quite like this pink color. This one again is a bralette with a mesh halter neckline. Bralettes are one of the easiest way to start a summer top. I really like this one, as I am mad about Peter Pan corner and I like this color combination. This one gives an effortless and casual look. The striped pattern is a wonderful idea. This one is a bralette with shell patterns to the lower part. A crossed halter neckline and a backless design can be sexy and cute for summer. We have a heart top here. It is super cute and it is very easy to make. Such a brilliant idea. This is a little sweet vest top. It used a simple granny stitch. And I like the little pearl buttons that Trenda added to the front. This one has a square shaped design. I can't resist any geometric patterns. This one has a vintage look. It is like a little vest with cute buttons to the front and a fringe edge to the bottom. This one has gala details at the front and give it a more pronounced family look. I really like this one. It is a hexagon short top. It says it is a short for men, but I think we ladies can wear it better. This one is a mesh top. It can be completed in no time. This one has a leaf pattern at the front and also leaf fringes. I like the little touches. I love this one too. It has the bow details at the front, which is a really smart idea. We have another sweet top here. I like the contrasting pinky flower trims. This is a nice butterfly top. You will like it if you adore butterfly patterns. This one has pineapple stitches in the middle front. Puff stitches for the cable look. A very cute top. This is a flower motif top. You can also wear it over a shirt or a t-shirt to create an overlay look. This one again starts with a bralette. It has strapped shoulders, a little bow front, and a lace edge. This baby doll top has a frill bottom. If you make it longer, you can turn it into a dress. This one starts with a half granny square or triangle granny square. It is an easy pattern, but yet cute. This one has an open shell design. a slim waistband and has fringes at the bottom. This one has a strapped neckline, frilled bottom, bow tie to the back. This one has a cable stitch pattern. Does anyone here like cable patterns as much as I do? This one has a sexy keyhole front, a zigzag edge. It will be nice to wear it with a skirt. This is a granny square fringe top. Please check my channel if you are looking for a granny square pattern, as I have plenty of videos. This bandana top is made up of a big granny square, then has added straps to neckline and shoulders. This top uses granny stitches and floral granny squares to the bottom edge. It is easy but chic. This one is oversized design. It is cute girl next door style type. These are the 30 summer crochet tops that I would really love to share with you. They are very pretty, aren't they? Which one do you like the most? Please leave a comment below and let me know. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and like. For this Saturday, we're going to resume granny square tutorial. I will show you how to crochet this beautiful granny square. Thank you very much for being here with me today. See you all on Saturday. Love you.
With your red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.